how to create a guild on Discord. Your first things first, as of 2025, creating a guild on Discord is actually ongoing or currently in the process of making it. So basically, you'll have to be chosen, or your specific server will be chosen for you to be able to be one of the experiments on Discords that you can create a guild. But usually, all you have to do if you're selected is just go to your current server or your channel that you created and go to the drop downs from your current channel and go directly to server settings. Now in here, it is usually located right here under moderation, apps, or even in the community. All you have to do is just to click on that option. The name of that option is just guild. You just have to click on that and then go directly to create a guild. So again, creating a guild on Discord as of 2025 is currently at work, and you have to be selected, or one of your servers should be selected for you to be able to create a guild.